Lexi Luxury here. How the hell are y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought we would do a good old-fashioned everyday summer makeup tutorial. Also, I know you guys are gonna ask, yes, I'm wearing extensions. I was practicing. I will leave the exact set in the description box down below. Anyways, if you like beauty content, fashion videos, lifestyle vlogs, then make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I post new videos every single Sunday. Usually. Yeah, okay, that's enough jibber jabbering. Let's get into the video. First thing I do, guys, sorry if my products are so dirty. Starting off with my Refi Brow Sculpt. For the brow pencil, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. And I like to pick up my eye like this, just so I can like hold it tight and then kind of just go underneath here to create the shape like that. And then I just go in and fill in little hair-like strokes. You guys know the tea. All right, same thing over here. And then I'm just gonna take my spoolie. Boom, baby. Taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, the best concealer, period. I will say brows are the one thing that like I don't skip over. Like, I need a full brow routine. So doing the same thing, just like lifting up my brow and then creating the shape. And I do like my brows to kind of stay outward. I don't really have them come down at all, if you know what I mean. Like the tail doesn't droop down. It goes outwards, like towards my hairline. Okay, and then I just take whatever's left over and kind of blend that out roughly. Look at the difference already though. Stunning. This is why I need a full brow routine. I've tried to just like set my brows and it doesn't give. I'm either gonna do like the right makeup or I'm not gonna do makeup at all. Do you know what I mean? Oh my God, my nose is so itchy. I don't know why. And that is a finished brow. Why do I feel like I'm out of breath already? We are on minute 7. I just got started. Not too shabby. And then sometimes I do like to go back with my Refi Brow Sculpt just to raise those top hairs up past where I added the concealer, just so they look a little bit more natural that way and not so like, you know, perfect. And the brows are done. Why do I feel like the lighting is so fucking weird? I honestly have fallen fully back in love with the YSL Bare Look tint. It's a skin tint. It's not a foundation, I guess. I just feel like when I try to wear normal foundations now, I'm wishing that they were more of like a tinted moisturizer or skin tint or like a tinted SPF, which is crazy because I used to be a full coverage girl, like period. Honestly, I feel like I kind of put on too much, but that's fine. But yeah, no, now I'm like, I'm not even wearing foundation or I'm wearing something like this. Just using my beauty blender to blend this out. And sometimes I like to just go in here as well. Moving on. Guys, I cannot believe I'm still using this. This is the same one that I bought like months ago. I keep thinking I'm at the end, but there's still more products in here. This is the Milk Bionic Bronzer in the color Shape Shift. Just kind of like dot it where I want it. And I'm skipping nose contour because I actually have some tan-touring done, which if you guys want a video on that, I would love to do one. It would be very easy. I am gonna do under here though a little bit. We gotta snatch the jawline. I like to keep my contour like pretty much where like the end of my eye is and back. I honestly was in the market for a new I was honestly in the market for a different liquid bronzer or cream contour or something like that, but I don't know. This is just such a good product. I don't really feel like I need to get another one. I'm probably gonna repurchase it. Grabbing that same concealer, just doing like a little bit. I don't like to do like a bunch of concealer. We're trying to do the least amount of makeup as possible. To do little dots down the nose. I also like to do a little bit on the top of my lip. And then I immediately start blending out. And then I just swipe up and down the nose. I'm definitely more meticulous about where I put my concealer since I am using it to carve out my contour. This is what's actually like creating the face shape. For the excess, I just like to kind of go along the nose and see how much that just brought up my face. So just like a line like that, kind of going like diagonally up from the corner of my eye, if that makes sense. And then sometimes I go in with just like the side of my beauty blender, just so it's not like a super harsh line. Looks good for my house. Let's keep going. Next, I like to add a little liquid blush. I have been obsessed with this. Urban Decay has these new liquid blushes. Oh, it's a Blush Glow Hydrator. I'm sorry. This is in the color Wrecked. I think it's like a gorgeous, like kind of dusted rose color, if you will. I've been obsessed with using this. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, like this is such a nice product. It like just blends into your skin seamlessly and it gives me like that glow glowy texture back. I actually like to put it on the back of my hand just a little bit, and then I just kind of swirl my blush brush on here. This is what the finish looks like. It's like a serum going in with the blush, also kind of staying towards the back like so. And we are gonna go in with more blush towards the end as well, just to kind of finish it off. But this is what we're starting with. Gonna go once down the nose, maybe a little bit up here as well. Stunning. I have the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Blondie. Just gonna take my little triangle puff. Oh, kind of same idea, just being super mindful of where I place the powder. I'm just pressing right in, and I'm trying not to bring the powder down too far, but if it does go down far, that's fine. We just want to like recreate that shape that we had with the concealer, and obviously set the under eyes. And then I do also like to go on my lid, just because I feel like I get like creasing there if I don't. Once we're nice and set, then I go in and bake a little bit. I really only leave it on long enough to like apply it everywhere, and then I kind of just remove it right away. Before we finish up with the face, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes. You guys know me, I never wear eyeshadow, and I'm not gonna do it today either. So, grabbing my lash curler. My eyelashes are already actually curled up. If you guys have been watching me for a little while, you know that I take a lighter and I usually heat this up so that way it's like a heated lash curler. Your lashes stay lifted all day. But my lighter is MIA, so we're just gonna do this the old-fashioned way. I'm just making sure I get to the actual base of my lashes and I'm not like towards the end. I personally feel like the lashes make the look. I'm using the Idol Lash Mascara by Lancome. This stuff is amazing. Going in with a second coat. Literally insane. Oh, wow, I'm surprised I didn't get that much mascara on my lid. Immediately got it on this lid. That's fine, it's okay. Also, sorry if I'm like low energy while I'm filming this. It's such a rainy day here and it's towards the end of the day. This is like my last thing on my to-do list, so I'm chugging along. But you know what? When duty calls, Lexi answers. Okay, lower lashes. Final coat for the top lashes. Add just a little bit more blush. I love adding this towards the end, especially after my powder, because it just gives me that like skin like look back. There's nothing more I hate than like a powdery face. And look, it just brought the life back to our skin, you know? A little bit back on the nose again. I think we're safe to clean up the lids, so let's do that. To clean off my lids, I just grab a little toothpick. What is this? A Q-tip. And a little bit of hand soap. I feel like hand soap is the business when it comes to cleaning off your lids. Okay, I've been using this highlight for freaking years. I like haven't switched it up in forever. It's the Golden Hour Sephora powder highlight. I just go in with like a skinny little fan brush. I like to do a soft highlight these days, so I just kind of go in circular motions on the top of my cheekbone, right on the forehead, tops of the lips, a little bit on the chin. And then I go in with this little guy, get in my inner corner. This is how you know I was born closer to millennial than Gen Z. That inner corner highlight's gonna get me every time. Then I take this itty bitty fan brush and I go right under my brows, and then I like to go down the center of my nose. You guys know I love to use my Laneige lip mask like as a lip gloss, but Flawless Beauty came out with something very similar. Literally, it's an overnight lip mask and everything. But this is a plumping mask and it's their watermelon color. Yeah, juicy watermelon. It has like this cute little like pink hue to it, so it makes your lips look like nice and juicy. I don't know, I feel like it's perfect for the summer. Put some color back into my lips and it actually does plump. I'm getting close to my annual lip filler appointment, so this is about the time where I really like to use a good lip plumper, and I love that this is like a mask and a lip plumper at the same time because that's the texture that I want. Gorgeous! Okay, I'm using the Sephora makeup setting spray. Okay, that is the end of my go-to summer makeup tutorial. All the products I use will be linked in the description box down below and also in the pinned comment most likely. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you guys want more makeup videos, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any ideas for videos that you want to see from me, if you want more fashion videos, more vlogs, more hair content, like let your girl know. I aim to please. I'm here for you. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I just can't stop looking at my lashes. Like, slay. You know the drill. Before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications, which I am aiming for posting every Sunday. I would really like to have a specific day that I post every single week. Like, it's time, okay? There's no excuses. I feel like Sunday's a good day, right? I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week, hopefully on Sunday. Bye.